everybody. I hope you're enjoying your day. We have this, well, actually, I have this wonderful, cute little house that I made, and I absolutely adore it. And I hope you get to make one too, because it was so much fun. I'm having just such a fun time this year making all these DIYs for you guys. So I hope that you will subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified of the next time that we have a video coming out. And as you can see, I took one of Dollar Tree signs and I am painting it white. So it's just, I'm going to need that for like my house that I'm going to make for you guys. And there it is. I got this a few years back, and I got it at, I'm going to say, I think Hobby Lobby, and I am painting it white. I'm using my chalk paint, which is the linen color, and I'm not sure why I'm using that little thin brush, but it was probably the only brush I had. I do have some thicker brushes, so I'm not sure why I decided to do that one. This was so much fun, though, I have to tell you. I had so much fun doing this. As you can see, I took some tape and I taped off all of the black areas so that I wouldn't get any paint on it. And once I taped it all off, I finished painting it. I did give it probably 2 coats. Now, it was a birdhouse that maybe you were supposed to put it in your Christmas tree if you wanted to. So I am taking the little hook off of it. Or maybe you were going to hang it in a tree for a bird. But I wasn't going to need that little hook, which was really made out of burlap. So now, I know that I think it's Michael's. They have houses that you can paint for like, I'm going to say like $5.99, and they're bigger. So I think that's a good deal too. Now I am painting this again with some white acrylic. I'm painting around the edges. I'm using my heat gun just to dry it so that I can actually use it pretty quickly anyway. All right, there's my house. I'm going to pull all the tape off because I now can actually glue this to the board. And I have this Snow Tex. I think I've seen a lot of people use this. I've had this Snow Tex for years. And you just take it out. You can put it on with your finger, or you can use a plastic spoon. But you just want to just put it on your roof to make it look like snow. Now I'm going to glue it to the bottom of the board, just using my glue gun for that one. And I got these cute little fence pieces from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to put a little fence in front of the house. and I'm going to glue it again with the glue gun. This project turned out so cute. I was thrilled with it. I have it in my bathroom. It is just such a cute little project for you to do. I think you could probably even make this at different times of the year for like Easter, Valentine's Day. You could do so much with these. I have this little tag that's like you put on a gift that you can put on this cute little house, and I'm going to fit it right over the hole because it already had a hole in it, and I'm just going to decorate it. It actually fit perfect. It was like, was this made for this house? It seems like Dollar Tree knew what I was going to do. And then I've got these brush trees from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue them down too. As you can see, it's coming along so cute. I got these little, I guess they're made out of plaster, and they came from Hobby Lobby. So I am going to put them on the front of this birdhouse. And then I have these tiny little figurines that I got at probably either Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree. And the little deer I got at Hobby Lobby. So you can mix and match, do whatever you want to the house. I'm just designing it the way that I want it to be. But you can do, you know, whatever colors you want, whatever trees you want. You can make a red house, a green house, because it is Christmas. But this was a fun one. I think I put these on and then I took them off later. I was like not sure what I wanted to do. I was trying not to go like overboard with it. As you can see, I had a little tiny mini wreath, and I put that to where the little bird would sit on his little perch. I had these stars that I was going to put on the trees. All right, then I'm doing some Mod Podge on the little edge right in front of the house and around the sides. And I'm going to put some snow there. Okay, I'm putting snow on top of the roof. I'm putting some more snow text up there. We just needed more snow. More snow, more snow, more snow. Since we don't get snow in Florida, I'm going to make my little DIY projects with lots of snow. Hopefully I can get to New York to see some snow. Okay, now I have some glitter. It's the really like fine silver glitter. And I'm going to also put that on the roof. Pulling apart this floral that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue it to the roof. As you can see, I took off the decorations off the trees. I think it looks better without it. You guys can comment on it if you think it looked better with it or without it. I like it without it. It made it more traditional, and sort of I didn't overdo it, if you know what I mean. But I love putting this pine and the little berries on top of the house. I'm thinking about making an all red one, and then I'm thinking about making an all white one, because I did pick up some more from Michael's, and they had them, like I said, I think they were $5.99, but some of them were, you could get your coupon from Michael's like 25% off, so you got even more off of those. Look how cute that is. I was looking for a bird. Y'all are going to love this one. Of course, I love the little deer that I got from Hobby Lobby. But I'm thinking, I need a bird. It's a birdhouse. I really need a bird. And I looked and looked. I had a big bird, so it was going to be too big. Okay, I'm taking that little poinsettia leaf or flower, and I'm going to stick it to the top. Look how cute this is. Don't you love it? But I need a bird. I need a bird. I love the little deer. I love the way the trees turn out. See, look at this. It's got a little, like, hatch in the back, so it opens up. So I was going to put lights in there, which you can. Also, I was trying to find a bird that would fit through that little back hatch. But you can put lights, which is so cool because it's got a little, like I said, a little hatchback. And I'm using the bright ones this Christmas, the bright whites. But look, I found a bird. This was unbelievable. I couldn't believe I found this. I believe I found him at Hobby Lobby. I was so excited, guys. It was really luck. It really was. But now I'm going to also put some lights on the outside around the trees, which I think looked much better than on the inside. But look at the bird. He's just hanging out, chilling. He's a cardinal. So, and I'm just lighting this little house up with my bright lights that I got from Amazon. And then I'm going to stick it right in the back of it. If any of you have any comments, that would be great because we can help you out with what you might want to ask us so we can answer you. But look how cute that is. I love the way this turned out. It is so cute. It really is. I love it. It turned out great. And it sits in my bathroom as a little nightlight. Don't you love it? Guys, if you would just subscribe, hit the like button, notification bell, please share with your family and friends because this helps our channel grow. And it would be nice if we could get more subscribers so that we can bring you more DIYs that you would love. You can tell us what you want and we'll try to make it. And hopefully we can make what you want. Loving my little house, my little bird house. It turned out so cute. I'm really hoping that you guys can make one too, because it was fun. Thank you for watching. It is so, so cute. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, notification bell, and share with your family and friends. And we'll see you in the next video. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So please go ahead and comment below. Let us know how you're doing. Take care. Love you. Bye.